This is not a squirrel. This is the Colobus monkey. This monkey doesn't have thumbs. Yep, most monkeys grab things like tiny humans. The Colobus monkey, nature said, you know what, you'll figure it out. It looks like it's been dealing with nonsense all day, with that long white beard and cape-like fur, and somehow it still jumps over 50 feet between trees like it just remembered it left the stove on. That's longer than a school bus. It honestly looks like it's wearing a tuxedo made by nature itself. And get this, it has a stomach like a cow to digest all that tough greenery. Basically, it's a leaf-eating ninja with a built-in blender. You'll find these monkeys in forests across Africa, sitting in trees, silently judging everyone below like my Mexican auntie. Like and subscribe, or they will sit and judge you from your ceiling. Just kidding.